The power of chia seeds, a simple step to better health. Have you ever thought one small change could make a big difference in your health? Imagine adding just a spoonful of seeds to your daily routine and feeling better within a week. It might sound too simple to be true, but for many, chia seeds are proving otherwise. These tiny seeds have been making waves in the world of health and wellness, and for good reason. For those of us over 50, the search for simple, natural ways to stay energetic, protect our hearts, and improve digestion is ongoing. But with so much advice out there, it can be overwhelming. What if I told you that chia seeds could be an easy, effective way to jumpstart your journey to feeling healthier and more vibrant in just 7 days? Let's dive into what exactly happens when you start incorporating chia seeds into your diet and how they can transform your well-being in just 1 week. Day 1 and 2. Hydration boost and improve digestion. Chia seeds are unique because they can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water. When you soak them, they form a gel-like coating. This isn't just a fun kitchen experiment. It's what makes them powerful for your body. When you eat soaked chia seeds, they act like tiny water carriers, helping to keep you hydrated. Many people over 50 experience dry skin, joint stiffness, and sluggish digestion due to dehydration without even realizing it. By day 2, you might notice a subtle difference. Your mouth feels less dry, your energy is slightly more consistent, and you feel less tired during the day. The fiber in the seeds also begins its work, gently encouraging regular bowel movements without the discomfort that laxatives often bring. In fact, chia seeds are one of the richest plant-based sources of soluble fiber. If you've struggled with constipation, relief could be right around the corner. Day 3 and 4. Feeling fuller for longer and managing weight. Do you find yourself snacking between meals or struggling to feel satisfied after eating? Chia seeds might help with that. Their high fiber and protein content work together to slow digestion and keep you feeling full. This isn't about restricting yourself or cutting calories. It's about naturally managing hunger, so you don't reach for unhealthy snacks out of habit. By day 3 or 4, you may notice you're eating smaller portions without even trying. You feel comfortably full after meals and aren't as tempted by that evening bag of chips or sugary dessert. If weight management has been a goal of yours, this effect can be a game changer. Plus, the steady energy release from chia seeds can help you avoid the mid-afternoon crash that many experience after a heavy meal. Day 5. Improved heart health and lower blood pressure. Let's talk about the heart. As we age, heart health becomes more important than ever. High blood pressure and cholesterol are common concerns for people over 50. The good news is, chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which can help reduce inflammation and support cardiovascular health. By day 5, you may not feel it directly, but the seeds are already working behind the scenes. Studies have shown that consuming chia seeds regularly can help reduce blood pressure, lower LDL, bad cholesterol, and increase HDL, good cholesterol. Over time, this can contribute to a healthier heart and a reduced risk of heart disease. If you've been on medication for high blood pressure, it's worth discussing with your healthcare provider whether adding chia seeds could support your treatment plan. Never stop or change medications without consulting them, of course. But natural dietary additions can be a valuable part of a comprehensive approach to wellness. Day 6. Joint pain relief and reduced inflammation. Do your knees ache when you get up in the morning? Are your fingers stiff after gardening or typing? Inflammation is a common issue as we age, and it's often linked to arthritis and chronic pain. The omega-3s and antioxidants in chia seeds can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. By day 6, many people report feeling less stiffness, particularly in the morning. You might notice you're walking a bit more easily or that your hands feel less swollen. While chia seeds won't replace anti-inflammatory medications for those with severe arthritis, they can provide gentle, natural support to ease discomfort. This anti-inflammatory effect also extends to your gut. If you've dealt with bloating, gas, or general digestive discomfort, the combination of fiber and omega-3s could make your stomach feel calmer and more balanced. Day 7. a noticeable boost in energy and mental clarity. One of the most exciting benefits people experience after a week of eating chia seeds is a boost in energy and mental clarity. How does this happen? It's a combination of factors. First, the steady release of carbohydrates from chia seeds helps maintain blood sugar levels, preventing energy dips and spikes. Second, their omega-3 content supports brain health. Omega-3s play a crucial role in maintaining the health of brain cells and improving communication between them. By day 7, you may notice you're thinking more clearly, remembering tasks better, and feeling less foggy in the afternoon. For those over 50, this mental clarity can be a welcome change, especially if you've been feeling sluggish or forgetful. Combined with better hydration, improved digestion, and balanced energy levels, you may feel more like your younger self. How to use chia seeds in your daily routine. Adding chia seeds to your diet is easy and flexible. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Chia pudding. Mix 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1 cup of almond milk or your favorite dairy alternative. Let it sit overnight and you'll have a creamy, nutrient-packed breakfast. Smoothies. Toss a spoonful of chia seeds into your morning smoothie for an extra dose of fiber and omega-3s. Oatmeal or yogurt. Sprinkle chia seeds over your oatmeal or yogurt to add texture and a nutritional boost. Baked goods. Incorporate chia seeds into homemade muffins or bread for a crunchy surprise. Water infusion. Add chia seeds to water with a splash of lemon or cucumber. Let them sit for 10-15 minutes for a refreshing, hydrating drink. Remember, start with small amounts if you're new to chia seeds. Their high fiber content can cause bloating if you introduce them too quickly. Begin with 1 tablespoon a day and increase gradually as your body adjusts. Final thoughts. Small seeds, big impact. Chia seeds may be small, but their benefits are anything but. After just 1 week, you could experience better digestion, sustained energy, reduced inflammation, and improved heart health. These benefits only grow over time, making chia seeds a simple, long-term addition to your diet. If you've been searching for a natural, easy way to improve your well-being, give chia seeds a try. There's no magic here, just good, wholesome nutrition working its way through your body. We love hearing from our community. Let us know what you think, and please share your experience in the comments below. Your story could inspire others to embark on their own journey towards better health. If you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. As always, take care of yourself, and thanks for watching.